This works just as well as any massage gun I've ever tried, but the unique thing about this is it comes with a couple different heads. For one, it comes with this metal head, and it comes with this head that does hot and cold. And aside from that, it's a really nice shape. It's nice to hold, very easy to use. It charges via USB-C. To use it, you simply just press and hold the power button, and then the LEDs come on for different lengths. And because of the size for this, if you want to do it on your own back like this, oh man, oh, this feels good. Oh. Yeah, okay, let's time out for a second. This is very nice. The handle is long enough so you can do your own back or something like that. Let's have a closer look at what you get. Comes in a nice hard shell case like this. And I do want to point out that this is a sponsored video. This was sent to me so I could make this video. It's kind of a nice design for a massage gun. One kind of unique thing about this, a lot of massage guns you just kind of put the heads in. With this one, you actually screw it in, so it's not going to come out at all. You can see the different heads. The bullet head is more for specific points. The fork is for around bone. Kind of have your general purpose. This is my preferred. And then you've got this kind of more of a rubber spring. This actually has a metal head as well, which, metal head. I don't think I've ever seen a metal head before. That's pretty cool. And it does have a cooling and heating head. I'll show this in just a bit. But to use it, you just press and hold to turn it on. And then it shows the level with that light indication. And then on the back here, it indicates the battery level. You just charge it via USB-C. So this is the lowest speed. Let's go ahead all the way up to the fastest speed. And yeah, that should give you an idea of it's fast. It is fast, it works really well, very strong, and to turn it off, you just press and hold. So if we look at this head, this also charges via USB-C, and to use it, you just press and hold. So this is on the hot side, and there are a couple different settings. So I believe the red is the hot. Oh, and man, you can already feel it is quite hot. So it is instant heat. You do have to wait maybe a few seconds, but at that point you've got this nice warm metal on here. And then if you want to turn it off, you just press and hold again and it will turn that off. Now I believe there is a fan for the cooling. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Press and hold. And again, you've got two different levels and still warm, less warm. Oh, and it is cold. I can already feel the cold. So that was what, maybe 5 to 10 seconds? Not bad at all. And then press and hold to turn off. If you've already used a massage gun before, I think the most compelling reasons to get this one is, again, for the unique heads. This is really nice if you want the heat or if you want the cold. And then, honestly, I've never seen a metal head like this before. You could probably, if you want to use it for meat in a package and you want to soften the meat when you're cooking, I might actually, for reals, do this and use it as a meat tenderizer, because how cool is this? If you've never tried a massage gun before, this is great. I've been impressed with the build quality. I love how easy it is to charge, so I never have to worry about finding the cord. It's just USB-C. And another nice thing about this, and this seems to be the trend recently with massage guns, is it does screw in, so you don't have to worry about the head coming out when you don't want it to. This has been really great for me. Sometime last year, I damaged my leg, and every once in a while, it's just really nice to have something like this that can kind of massage the muscles. And I think I have some scarring tissue inside there, and it's nice to be able to easily do that by myself. I don't have to ask my wife to help me out or anything like that. If I want to do my back, this handle is basically long enough I can get my full back. I can come at it from behind as well. So with how large this is, I can get any part of my body I need to. So whether it's after a workout or maybe you just have some tense muscles, whatever it is, this is going to work great for it.